Alright, we are still in Lagos. Now, I know I've done a video on the soil medium before, but I probably didn't talk about the type of soil you should use in your snail farm. Now, the soil characteristics is one of the major factors one has to consider before siting a snail farm or locating a place for setting up a snail farm. Now, the three major environmental factors one should consider are wind speed and direction, the speed of the wind and the direction of the wind. And two is the soil characteristics of that environment where you want to set up your snail farm. And three is the temperature and humidity of the environment, especially in the case of free range system, where you cannot control the environmental conditions like temperature and humidity. But on the intensive conditions which we have here, you can control the environmental temperature to an extent because we have a roof over the pens. But the soil medium is what I want to talk about. Now, the ideal soil for a snail farm is a sandy loamy soil, a sandy loam soil, or a humus soil, a sandy loam soil, or totally humus soil. Now, why you need a sandy loam or humus soil is because these soils retain water to certain extent and also permit drainage. But when you use a sandy soil, it allows excess drainage and cannot retain water. If you use a clay soil, the clay soil retains excess water but do not permit good amount of drainage. So these soil mediums are not ideal for snail farming. So the ideal soil is a sandy loam or humus soil. Now, when you have that ideal soil, there's another thing you have to look out for: how to prepare the soil in the snail pens. That is exactly what I'm about doing now. When you bring in the soil in this pen has just been brought in not more than 30 minutes ago. Now I have to stomp the soil, aerate the soil to find out if there are any debris inside the soil. So if there are debris in the soil, we have to pick them out. Now, what I'm holding is a garden fork. This is a garden fork. I will use it to aerate the soil to ensure that there are no roots of trees inside the pens. So that's exactly what I am doing now. This is aerating the soil to get out any debris inside. So you can see the soil is very loose. This will permit drainage and also retain water to some degree that will allow the snails to thrive very well. So fortunately enough, we don't have much of debris in this soil, but you can see with what I've done, we found things like this. We have to get these out, as it is not ideal for you to have this inside the snail pen. So we remove them and we keep searching until we discover that it is all neat. We don't have any issues with roots inside the pens. So this is how you prepare your soil medium. Now, after doing this, we have to water the pens properly because snails are cold-blooded animals. Now, they like the environment cool and moist. When the environment is too dry, the snails will estivate, and it's not a good management practice in snail farming. So after aerating your soil and taking out all the debris, the next thing you do is to water the soil. Then you introduce your snails with your mulch materials and all of that. So if you want to set up a snail farm, you can give us a call on 08068525032. And if you like this video, subscribe, like the video, and share. Thank you, and bye bye. Shut it.